Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, locate I would say storage, but I don't see this option. I'm just gonna search for it. So let's select the search button there and search for storage. It looks like it's in the system. So anyway, you can select it from here, then choose your storage. You can choose what you want to open it with, so you can select either files or files by Google. Both of them work basically identically, so it doesn't really matter which one you select. From there, you can select it to open it just once using this application, or always. It's completely up to you. Once you have it open, click on the three bars or three dots, go to Storage Settings, select Format. This will bring up a message letting you know that formatting your card will result in everything from it being removed. So if you have anything that you like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. But I don't have anything there that I want to keep, so select Format SD card. This will begin a process which only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go. So click on done, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.